Morning, guys. It is the end of September. Look, I'm out here on Town Lake. Beautiful, beautiful Austin in the background. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll turn around here. Early in the morning. A lot of the grass is kicked up and it is all over the place. It was hard to get through this stuff to where I am right now, but we're going to get it done today and see if we can hit a big one, you know. So it's going to be pretty cool to be right here in the city, but let's get after it this morning. Oh, it's a good one, guys. It's a good one. Woo! It's a good one. We're on the bank. I'm on the old chatterbait here. Alright. Boy, he is a healthy one. Well, he wasn't coming off, that's for sure. Boy, he wanted this thing bad. Alright. There we go. Alright. Woo! Let's get him measured. As I'm getting slime and fish and everything else all over my leg here. I need to remount my board. This thing. Alright. Let's see what he is. He was definitely up in the grass. Come on. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. It's okay. He is 16 and a quarter. 16 and a quarter. He's a good one. Look how fat he is right there. Alright, guys. Nice one. Nice one, nice one. Ah! He bit me before he took off. Alright. See if we catch another one. Dude, Town Lake. That's where it's at. It's a very cool place. Right here. Right there is Congress Bridge right here that I'm next to. So there's some other fishermen over there. But hey, let's catch some more like that. Let's do it. Alright. So this is this month's monster bag, and I haven't got into it yet. So what I'm going to do is get into this bag. I caught that first fish on the chatterbait because I couldn't see the bag because it was too dark. So I just started throwing it. But now that it's daylight, I'm going to get into the monster bag, and since there's a lot of grass here, I'm going to be throwing, what frog is this? The Blitz frog from Blitz Lures. So I'll be throwing this puppy here in just a second. But I wanted to show you I'm going to be fishing out of this bag today. And ooh, it's a paddle tail too. And it's a dark frog, and the water's dark right now, so this is going to be absolutely perfect. I wish I had brung braid. I don't have any braid with me, so I'm going to be throwing it on fluorocarbon in the grass. So we'll see what happens. So let's get a fish on this frog. Time now. What I found. Alright, look what I found in the water. I'm about to pick it up right now. Look what I found. Yeah. I just found this in the water though. Yeah. All right, it's an extra large, and besides a little few stains on it, I mean, doesn't have anything on the rim here, but I can put some on now. I think I might keep this. It's actually kind of cool. It's extra large, so it'll probably fit me. I ain't gonna put it on right now because this thing's probably like super nasty. So cool find though. Cleaned it up, see if it fits. But yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, so let's get back to fishing. All right, so I threw the frog until the sun came up, and so now I'm going to be moving to bottom with a wacky rig. I'm going to throw this creature bait, which is basically a centipede, on the wacky rig. I was going to Texas rig this, but I think it'd be a lot better on a wacky. So yeah, let's do that. So I've never thrown this thing, and this thing is huge. Look at this thing. But this is what came in the Monster Bass bag for the month. So I'm fishing everything out of the bag. So this is I guess I'm gonna hook it in the meaty portion right here. The company that made this was Tackle High Def. Megamite is the bait. It's an 8-inch dark green pumpkin. So this thing is huge. So there you go. There's a lot of grass here, so that's why I'm throwing this, since it's pretty much weedless. And yeah, there we go. Interesting little bait. I wouldn't say little, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, this is a huge bait. All right, let's get to it. The frog didn't work. Tried to get it in those lily pads up on the bank first thing, but I didn't even have it hit. And that's kind of crazy to me. So see what happens with this. All right, let's get to it. All right, update. As you can see right there, had one on swimming right underneath me and just wasn't paying attention, and he let it go. I literally seen the bait in his mouth coming towards me, and I was like, oh crap, set the hook. He was good, definitely 4 or 5 pounder. Man, oh man. I guess I need to pay attention, right? Had the music playing. Oh man, dude. All right, let's try this again. But the little centipede creature bait worked. All right, man. I am dragging so much grass right now. Oh. All right. Let's reset. Reset button on now. Okay, update. I just got broke off. It slammed it, broke off instant. I didn't even really get to feel it before it broke it off. So I think it was definitely a good one, but it broke me off instantly. I mean, let's get another creature bait on there. Got to get retied, but dude, that's a good sign. All right, be right back with you guys. Big OG. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Oh, your whole face got sad.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Yeah. Oh, there he is. All right. Woo. Fish number 2. Got him on the old creature bait here. It's like a centipede. Get him here. It's not as big as the other one, but there we go. There's that big old centipede. Pretty fish. Dark green. Nice. Let's measure them real quick. See what he measures. I would say probably 12. Let's see what we got here. He is 13 and a half. I was guessing 12. He's a good one. All right, back in you go. All right. Here we go, guys. Got one on that creature. He hit it a couple times. I set the hook, but he didn't have it all the way in his mouth because it's such a big bait. That's 8 inches, man. That's a pretty big bait. But had to let him take it. I forgot I needed to let him take it because it was such a big bait, but got him. So let's try to get another one. All right. Did you get one, buddy? Is it a good one? Oh, dude, he's trying to go through that grass. Nice. That's what, 17, 18? Live right now, man. See what you got. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, he's probably 17, 18. bit ago. He was only 13 and a half.
Yeah.
What is it?
17 and a half.
I called it right there, 17, 18. Very nice. You going Bill dance kissing?
Tongue kiss it.
Oh, gross, dude. We're live right now.
I ain't scared.
Oh, man. Yeah, like I said, we're here at Ladybird.
Bye. Have a good day.
So it's not been too bad. You got what? 3? And I got 2. Not bad. A little slow, but not bad.
Yeah. I skipped over this part earlier.
Throwing that wacky, right? What are you throwing? The what? Brush off. To conclude the end of the day, it was a fun day. Loved it out here on Ladybird. Went down the Congress Bridge, seen the whole city and stuff like that. Got two. Hey, it's better than skunking. But I enjoyed myself. My buddy, he got 3. But he got tangled up in some line, so he had to actually go in. So hopefully he's still at the ramp so I can say bye to him before he takes off. But yeah, had a great day. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.